that we made a mistake in, and I made a mistake in expanding rather than bringing everything into like an everything app. We started building all of the apps for everything. So I think that vision has really changed, and you guys have seen that. We shut down LeoDex. And when LeoDex returns, it's most likely just going to be a module on the Inleo UI. It's probably not even going to be its own UI. So the vision has really changed to bringing everything under the same umbrella rather than having all of these different platforms out there. And doing so will let us maintain everything a lot better since it's all in Leo at the end of the day. It's like, okay, the swap module is having a bug. Well, that's, the Inleo team can handle that. Rather than having like, okay, we've got a DeFi team, we've got to organize, a DeFi front end developer and a smart contract Solidity developer, and then we got to go out and fix that, and then it takes away from our ability to work on the Leo UI. I don't want any part of that anymore. My goal is to bring everything under one banner. And you guys have seen a massive focus on generating real long-term revenue streams. So, things like premium, ad revenue, building these streams is really important. So I think there's going to be a massive change to the way that all the DeFi stuff works with the Leo ecosystem. And many of you guys understand and know that the Leo pool account, where your premium 10 HBD is getting held and getting sent to, is actually buying Leo and buying Hive and then pooling it. So ultimately, that's also driving in long-term revenue for swap fees on CUB. So there is kind of a and a lot of people would like to just say that we left DeFi behind and are never thinking about it again. I think those people are in for a rude awakening if they keep saying that, and then like 2 years later they're going to wake up and realize that we've done a lot of things over the long term that are meant to build the Leo ecosystem and the Leo token ecosystem that will ultimately benefit that whole sector of what Leo is. And the short-term plan is like continue converging everything into the Inleo UI, and then over time just completely combining everything. I think that's where we're headed. And again, like I said, every goal kind of coincides with every other goal. Like if we build up our user base and we build up our traffic, and then we release a swap feature, the more traffic and the more users we have, the more people that will use the swap feature, who will then generate more swap fees, who will then benefit the DeFi arm of Leo. So it's all working, extremely like that's really been my goal, is like bring everything together and let it all work together to make the whole ecosystem better. And everything is hinging on the Leo token now. And that is the focus, is just to bring everything into the Leo token. So, I put up a thread I think like 2 days ago, saying that Leo is about to hit a 0.25 Leo Hive ratio. And I think we're going to see a quick trend to a 1-to-1 ratio and beyond. And that's not to say that Hive is going to go down. That's just to say that the price of Leo, the value of Leo, is going to keep going up. So I see us hitting, 0.25 Leo to Hive in the very near future. And I think it's going to keep trending in that direction. And like I said, bringing everything under the Leo token banner and building these models like premium and getting to 1,000 premium subscribers, that's, we're seeding that next stage of growth for Leo, especially in this like early stage of the bull run.